In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy Bitcoin on Binance and then send it to another wallet. Binance is one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world, and once you understand the process, it's actually very straightforward. So let's start with buying Bitcoin. After logging into your Binance account, head to the main dashboard and look for the Buy Crypto option at the top. You'll see different ways to purchase, such as using a debit card, credit card, bank transfer, or even peer-to-peer depending on your region. For most people, using a card is the fastest and simplest method. Select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you want to buy, enter the amount in your local currency, and Binance will show you the estimated amount of Bitcoin you'll receive along with the fees. Once you're happy with the details, confirm the purchase. Within a short time, your Bitcoin will appear in your Binance wallet balance. Now let's move on to sending that Bitcoin to another wallet. Maybe you want to transfer it to a hardware wallet for security, send it to a friend, or move it to another exchange. To do this, go to your wallet inside Binance and select Fiat and Spot. From there, find Bitcoin in the list and click Withdraw. You'll now be asked for the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address. Paste the address or scan the QR code if you're sending to a mobile wallet. It's really important to double-check that you're sending to a Bitcoin address and not some other crypto, because if you send it to the wrong type of address, your funds could be lost. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Binance will show you the network fee and the exact amount that will arrive in the destination wallet. Review all the details carefully. Once everything looks correct, click Submit and complete any security verification steps, such as email or two-factor authentication. After that, your Bitcoin transfer will be processed. Depending on how busy the Bitcoin network is, it might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, but you can always track the status inside your Binance transaction history. And that's it. In this video, you just learned how to buy Bitcoin on Binance and send it to another wallet. It's a simple process, and once you do it once or twice, you'll find it easy to repeat whenever you need to. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.